In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively edit a video using Canva to enhance its visual appeal in just a few easy steps. We'll walk through the process of removing the background and adjusting various settings to make your video stand out. So, grab your computer and let's dive in. First, open Canva on your browser. If you don't already have an account, you can easily sign up for free and gain access to a wide range of amazing design tools. Once you're all set, navigate to the Uploads section, where you'll be bringing in your video file for editing. This step is straightforward. Click on Uploads and then select Upload your media. Find the video file you want to edit on your device and upload it to Canva. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to resize. To do this, simply click and drag the corners of the video frame to make it fill out the space on your Canva design board. You might want to make it as large as possible to ensure that your video takes center stage in your final output. Next, we're going to remove the background of your video. Canva has a handy background remover tool that's specifically designed for this purpose. Select your video on the canvas, head over to the toolbar, and click on the Background Remover button. This tool will do the heavy lifting, instantly removing any unwanted background elements from your video, leaving you with a cleaner and more professional look. Once the background is removed, it's time to think about sharing and downloading your edited video. Go to the Share button, typically located at the top of your Canva interface. From there, you can download your edited video file straight to your device. Click Download and choose your preferred file type and quality settings. With your newly edited video saved and ready, the next step is to upload it again into Canva. Head back to the Uploads section like you did initially, and bring in your freshly downloaded video. After it appears in your uploads, you can delete the page where you initially removed the background. This clears up your workspace for the next steps. It's now time to layer your initial video and the newly edited one together. Drag your initial video back onto the canvas, adjusting it to fit just as you did at the beginning. Then, take the uploaded edited video and drag it over the first. Align it carefully so that it matches the original emplacement. For added effect, adjust the transparency of the uploaded video. Select the video on your canvas, find the transparency option, and decrease the transparency to your liking. This creates a layered visual effect that can add depth and interest to your final video. Finally, for a bit of finishing touch, head over to Edit. This is where you'll fine-tune your video's visual settings. Increase the contrast slightly to make your video pop, balancing your adjustments to make sure your final product achieves the desired effect. And there you have it. Your video is now ready to share.